All right, fresh case, boys. Contenders, number 85, 4-box. 86 will hit the screen next. Don't just start a case, you got to finish it. Oh my God, all of them are the same. Look at the overhead cam. Okie dokie. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to take from different places this time. I'm going to take from different places this time. I'm going to screw around a little. Last case was great when it came out this way. It was great. Grab your 86s, boys. Grab your 86s. The last case we did that looked like this was great. We hit the Akeem Olajuwon, we hit the Tatum cracked ice, and we hit the Chet to 49. And others. And a bunch of other cracked ices, too. Green. Good luck, guys. First auto. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Buckeye. Roddy. Redemption. Premium. Mark. For the Hornets. Mark Williams. Premium. $49 D'Angelo. Jamal Wilkes. Lakers. Oche. He's been flying out today. Oche's been flying out today. It's a Jazz day. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, oh, wow. We have a big hit at the end. Cracked ice. It's Dinwiddie for the Mavericks. Auto of Max Christie for the Lakers. He's been coming out a lot today. Cade. License. Premium Nuggets. Christian Braun. Premium Contenders. What's up, Darb? How you doing, buddy? CP3 to 99. It's a nasty break. Thank you, thank you. Trey Mann. Tick season ticket. Auto of Willie Anderson. Spurs. We got a big one to end it. We got a big auto to end it. Big one to end it. Ryan B. Michael Jordan 23, baby. Paolo. You guys understand this isn't even a case and a half. We've hit all this. This is insane. Premium Paolo. Ryan B. That's my man. Recap. It's ridiculous how good this product. It's just, it really is silly how good this product is. Cade, Braun, Oche, thank you. Mark Williams, premium. Paolo for Ryan B. Amazing. Amazing how hot we are. It's pretty crazy. It's the break, boys.